Welcome back to Cook with Ms. Jiang. There's something so comforting about a simple slice of toast, but not just any toast. This toast is perfectly crisp, buttered just right. And today, crowned with something truly special, soy-marinated egg yolk. Look at that shine deep amber, glossy, and silky smooth. It spreads like custard, rich and velvety. Now, let me show you how to make this beauty. First, crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Then gently separate the yolks. Be careful not to break them, we want them whole and intact. Place each yolk in a container that's completely dry and free of all. Let's marinate the egg yolks with 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Now gently pour this over your yolks. 1/4 cup of Japanese rice vinegar. A few slices of fresh garlic. Sliced garlic add a subtle aroma and depth to the marinade. Here's the trick. Take that clean towel and lay it gently on top. It'll help the yolks stay submerged and soak up all that rich flavor. Make sure they're fully covered. Cover the container and refrigerate it overnight. By morning, the yolks are firmer, shinier, and packed with flavor. If you do not know, let me tell you, I'm a bread person. I love bread in all kinds of ways. I love my toast with a deep golden crust as well. And yes, be generous with the butter because what's the point otherwise? Life might not always be sunny and shining, but food can always be tasty. Sometimes all we need is a moment to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the small things, such as spending your time to make a perfect slice of toast. Enjoy the moment of slowing down. Just look at that texture. Isn't satisfying and mouth-watering? Now comes the best part. Gently place that soy yolk on your toast and give it a little press. Silky, smooth, and glistening. The saltiness of the soy, the tang of the vinegar, the richness of the yolk, all on top of warm, buttery toast. It could be breakfast perfection. Add a cup of black coffee, and you've got a morning moment worth savoring. So simple, so satisfying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.